Hey YouTube, welcome to another Cloud in a Hurry. Today is Thursday, February 1st, 2024. Two quick things to take a look at today. One is an Azure product announcement and the other is an AWS announcement regarding certifications. So I've got the AWS certifications announcement up, so we'll take a look at it first. What's going on here? AWS is deprecating three certifications. These are all data specific certifications. So one is the data analytics specialty, the database specialty, and the SAP on AWS specialty exam. So these are all going away. If you want to re-up these, the date for these to retire formally April 8th, the certified data analytics is no longer available. April 29th is the cutoff date for the certified database and the SAP exam. So once again, if you have these exams, you want to, or sorry, these certifications, you want to re-up them. These are the cutoff dates. If you haven't gotten them yet, and for some reason you want to get them, you have until these dates to go take the exam and get them. So the rationale for the deprecation of these exams cited by AWS is, that they're moving towards, I guess this isn't explicitly stated, but it seems like they're moving towards more generic types of exams, like more conceptual versus, an exam that's very singularly focused on like a core piece of data technology, like databases, or like a certain platform like SAP. So I would expect, I don't know, I mean, I don't have any insider information that you would probably see an AWS certified data engineer professional exam on the heels of the associate certification, assuming that, the associate program goes well. So just a heads up, if you're in the AWS space and you've got some of these certifications, you've got a choice to make. Do you want to re-up them? Do you want to move to the new set of certifications that it looks like they'll be deprecating these old ones in favor of? So there you go. There's your AWS news for the day. On the Azure front, this is pretty interesting. So Azure Virtual Network Manager security admin role generally available in 30 regions. So the regions that it's available for, the release here is for these regions. I am not going to read them all. Um, you'll have the link. You can go check it out yourself. But notably, all of the U.S. regions are in this release, as well as a dearth of APAC regions and EU regions. So I would guess that these are their more highly used regions. So, and the other part that's here is that any other regions are still in public preview. So what exactly is a security admin rule? Let's just say that you are an enterprise network manager, or you work on, kind of a central cloud team in a large organization. You're an Azure shop. You have some baseline network security rules that you want to apply across all your VNets. If your VNets are being managed by Azure Virtual Network Manager, you can apply these security admin rules. Essentially, they are the first rule that's evaluated in, a traffic chain. They're immutable. So somebody else can't go in later and try to like overwrite one of these rules or remove one of these rules. They're separate from NSG rules, and priority for traffic evaluation is the security admin rules were first. So if you have a deny in your security admin rule, it doesn't matter whether it's allowed or not in an NSG rule, the traffic's not going through. The important thing is security admin rules are the first thing that gets evaluated, and then assuming that you have individual teams like business units or maybe application product development teams that manage their own VNets or have access to their own VNets for deployment of their product, and they manage their own NSGs. They can still manage their own NSGs, and you can apply your organizational network controls through the security admin rule. So a really powerful feature if you're kind of a central cloud network management team or just a network management team. If you're on one of those teams, take a look at this. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, share. Take care, and we'll talk to you on the next one.